Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're exploring Shred, a fascinating web app found at https://www.shred.app. Shred is a powerful tool designed to enhance your focus and productivity by transforming your Roam research database into a distraction-free writing environment. It achieves this by stripping away all the visual clutter that can sometimes overwhelm Roam users. Think of it as a minimalist, streamlined version of Roam, specifically tailored for writing. You retain access to your linked references and block references, but within a clean, focused interface. Shred offers several key features that contribute to a more immersive writing experience. One notable feature is its ability to present your daily notes page in this simplified view, enabling you to concentrate solely on the task at hand, writing. This can be particularly helpful for those who find the abundance of information within Roam distracting when they are trying to compose. It's like having a dedicated writing space carved out within your larger Roam knowledge base. Another advantage of Shred is its seamless integration with Roam research. The transition between Roam and Shred is smooth, allowing you to quickly switch between the two depending on your needs. This flexibility makes Shred a valuable addition to your Roam workflow, providing a dedicated space for focused writing without requiring you to leave your familiar Roam environment entirely. Imagine drafting a blog post, article, or even a book chapter in Shred, then effortlessly returning to Roam to continue researching or organizing your thoughts. Furthermore, Shred's minimalist design contributes to a calming and less overwhelming writing experience. The absence of visual distractions can help you achieve a deeper state of flow, allowing your ideas to flow more freely onto the page. By reducing cognitive load, Shred empowers you to focus your mental energy on the content itself. This is particularly beneficial for long writing sessions where maintaining focus is crucial. Finally, using Shred can be a significant productivity booster. By eliminating distractions and streamlining the writing process, Shred helps you make the most of your writing time. Whether you're working on a short piece or a longer project, Shred can help you stay focused and productive, allowing you to achieve your writing goals more efficiently.